lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a free Halloween wish haul. So if you've been on Wish before, you would have seen that you can get a few free items. However, you do have to pay for shipping on some of these items. Technically it's not free, but technically it is. I've been on Wish and I have found loads of free Halloween items. I haven't done outfits because there aren't many free outfits on Wish. I haven't seen any of these items. My boyfriend has opened all of them, so I don't know what they look like in real life. First thing I'm gonna grab is this, which is very oddly shaped. It is a Halloween mask, I believe. This is a Friday the 13th horror hockey Jason vs Freddy mask. I ordered this on September the 10th and I got it within 2 weeks maximum. What it looks like. Oh wow. Okay. I mean, okay, so it comes with the strap and then there's, if you can see on it, there's a bunch of little like pop socket bits where you put the strap on. It's like really good quality though, like it's almost, maybe it is, it looks glow in the darky. I think it is, I think it's glow in the dark, which is so cool. It's literally just plastic and it's not like uncomfortable, like it fits on, like it sits on your face quite nicely. I just thought it was quite cool. And it doesn't like feel like it pushes your lashes up like most masks do. It is weird you don't have a mouth hole though. So I can imagine this bit getting very like steamy with your like breath. Hole under your nose, which is kind of weird. Oh, I just poked it in my eye. Yeah, like it doesn't even reach my nose, so. Oh, I see that now. So if you wanted it to be quite tight, you could put it on the bottom. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's so cool. Freddy mask or Jason. Next thing. Little garland. I don't think this is the one I ordered. Oh my gosh. All of the like little orange hole bits have just fallen out all over my bed. So it comes with the string and it comes with the triangles, and then it also comes with a little needle, so you have to put all the bits in yourself. It doesn't look bad, it's like quite nice quality. It's just purely felt. It just literally just says Happy Halloween and then it's got 3 little dots at the bottom, which is quite cute. Like if you're just having like a little kids party, it's kind of cute. So there's only 4, that's all that you get. I mean, it was free, still that's kind of a bit disappointing. Very disappointed. So this was called the 2018 Halloween Party Decoration Pumpkin Ghost Bat Shaped Non-Woven Hanging Flag. This does not feel right doing this. You get 8, which makes more sense. So you do have 8, not 4. Okay, next thing. It's just gonna be a load of rubbish. What is this? Okay. This is a paper spider that like pops out. Oh, his legs are really bad. His legs are all like papery and they're not nice. All of it's like whitely chipped, which is upsetting. So like, and like this one's all bent, which is not that great, but you grab this little tab and you pop him up. Oh, he's cute. I'm happy about him. So it comes with like little glue, like, what are they called? Like those sticky squares. And like you just peel the stuff off of it. Look, he's got little eyes. There's his eyes. And then you do the same to the bottom. You can hang him. Oh, he's a little spider. Also, I didn't choose which one I wanted. You could get ghosts, you could get pumpkins. I just clicked a random one just to see what would come, and it was really cute. Oh, it's a lantern! Oh my god, I'm so excited. So it's a 20cm Halloween pumpkin lantern, but it's not a pumpkin, it's got skull and crossbones on it. Halloween paper, pumpkin, hanging lantern, bar, party, luminous, foldable bat, pumpkin, skeleton, spider, decorative supplies. And now it's £1. It was free when I bought it. So cute. Oh, and it comes with instructions in Spanish. It's cute. Look! Let's see if it lights up. So you put batteries in the bottom and then it will light up. I'm really happy. Right, what it is, a personality fashion blood bag, vampire sack, and then it's French and it says a Boston, vampire drink bags, Halloween decorations, Halloween prop, Halloween accessory, vampires novelty toys, Halloween toys. It makes it look on Wish that you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's meant to look like a blood bag. This is the sticker, which is like different blood types, and you can just take it off and you can stick that on. And you could put a drink in here and put red colouring liquid and then drink out of it like a blood bag, and then when you weren't drinking it, you put this on, so then nothing will come out and it's just there. Last thing. Okay. I did order a tablecloth and it didn't come, but I got another lantern and I only ordered one lantern, so I'm very confused, and I definitely ordered the skull one. I just did it. Look! Thumbnail! Ah, I pinched my skin. So we've got a mask, we've got 2 lanterns, even though we only ordered one. We've got a little spider. The blood bag, we've got the